Hello everyone, in this quick video I'll show you how to post on Instagram. This method will work on both iOS and Android, so just follow my steps. First thing first, please make sure your Instagram app is updated. Now open the Instagram app. Now tap on this plus icon. All the image or videos from your file manager will show up here. Select any photo or video that you would like to post. Now tap on next. You can change the color by tapping on this color presets. To add songs or music to your post, just tap on the music icon. Select any music that you want. You can adjust the songs from where it will start and where it will end. Now tap on next. Now write your caption about the post or photo. You can tag people by tapping here. And you can add a location by tapping here also. If you have multiple Instagram accounts, you can share this post onto other Instagram account also. When you are done, just tap on share. Wait a few seconds for the post to be shared. Here it is. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.